Hello everyone, and this is my MG charger, wall charger. It has been well protected from day one, so there is no scope of humidity or water on that. But somehow it's not working now. I reported the matter to the MG, and they said it would take around 2 to 4 weeks to get the charger replaced. Okay. The next step is you need to scan the card, and at this point it reads out a message louder: authorization, charging like that, but there is no message now. That means it's not working, something is wrong. That's the problem. It's been like exactly 29 days till now, and yesterday I got a message from the MG stating that the charger would be replaced with a latest version of it, and they would come tomorrow, that is 30th of September. This one with the new charger, he said that would be the latest one, and I would make a video of that.
มันก็ไม่ไกลไม่ไกล เขาผ่านลูกค้ากลัวลูกค้าว่า
มันมีไหมผมไม่กลัวหรอก
กันหมดแล้วล่ะ
ซอฟต์แวร์มันทันสมัยกว่า